Switching your e-commerce platform is terrifying. One wrong move can break everything. Your customers lose access to their downloads, subscriptions stop billing, and licenses fail across thousands of sites. That's a nightmare. And it's exactly why we built the FluentCart migrator, so you don't have to worry about all of that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can move your entire EDD 3x store into FluentCart using the migrator in a single automated pipeline. Zero downtime, zero manual work. All right, let's get started. The migrator is a separate plugin, and right now it's in beta version. Grab it from the link in the description. After you get the zip file, just install and activate the plugin like you normally do with any other plugin. Now, if you take a close look at the admin sidebar, you'll see a new menu has appeared, Migrator. Go ahead and open it up. And we'll start the wizard from step 1. First, you'll need to choose your migration source. So just select Easy Digital Downloads. And don't worry, migration support for WooCommerce and SureCart is on the way. Next, you'll see the compatibility check. This basically makes sure everything lines up, like whether you're using EDD 3x with the right table structure, and if anything's off, it'll let you know right here before you touch any of your data. This is where you see exactly what's going to migrate: product count, order count, subscriptions, licenses, coupons. You can also uncheck specific steps if you want to run them separately. Hit Start Migration and watch it go. You get a live progress bar, par step status, and an ETA for orders. There's also a pause and resume button if you need to stop midway. But here's the part that matters most if you sell softwares. Your customers' plugin and themes are still calling EDD's license API. The migrator intercepts those requests and routes them through FluentCart, returning responses in EDD's exact format. Your customers don't update anything. Their softwares keep working. That's why you need to keep the migrator plugin active even after the migration is done. Now, if you're managing a store with thousands of orders, WP CLI is faster and avoids browser timeout concerns entirely. All you need to do is open the terminal and run the WP FluentCart migrator command, which does the full migration in one pass. You can also run the steps individually, preview counts with stats, or verify license integrity with verify license. That's the full migration, start to finish. Your products, orders, subscriptions, and licenses all in FluentCart with zero downtime for your customers. Download the migrator from the link in the description, run it on staging first, and when you're confident, take it to production. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. And if this saved you from a painful manual migration, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.